Hi! In this post we're going to delve into some of the many great features of Microsoft Teams, mainly around Teams meetings. We'll cover how to download the app, scheduling and joining a meeting in Outlook, scheduling and joining a meeting using the desktop app, scheduling a meeting from either the desktop app or in Outlook, finally, setting up audio and video before entering a meeting. You can use Teams through a web browser. However, to get the best experience, we strongly recommend downloading the Teams application. To download the application, head over to office.com. You'll need to sign in using your work email and password that's connected to your Office 365 account. Once inside, click on Teams. You'll see it open in a new tab on your web browser. Once in Teams, click on the computer monitor symbol in the left-hand corner. This will start downloading the Teams app. Once it's finished downloading, click on the file to start the installation. You won't need to run through a wizard. The Teams desktop app will open automatically. Scheduling a meeting using the Teams plugin within Outlook is by far the easiest and quickest way to setting up a new Teams meeting. In Outlook, go to your Outlook calendar and create a new invite. In the invite, you should see the Teams plugin in the top ribbon. Let's go ahead and select Teams Meeting. The calendar invite will populate the meeting details in the body. If you click on the meeting options, an internet window will appear where you can choose which people can bypass the lobby and who can present in the meeting. Once you've saved your selection, close the internet window and you'll be returned back to your calendar invite. Don't forget to sort out the usual invite details and then send the invite when you're ready. If you don't have Outlook, you can still use the Teams desktop app to easily schedule meetings. The process is very similar to scheduling a meeting in Outlook. To do this, open your Teams desktop app, then on the left-hand side, head over to the calendar. You should see in the top right-hand corner a button that says New Meeting. Click the drop-down arrow next to it and click on the Schedule Meeting icon. You'll now see a new meeting invite. From here, you will need to give your meeting a title and invite the people that need to attend the meeting. Set up the usual invite details such as the date and time and the frequency. The great thing here is that if you want to invite a group of people rather than inviting them individually, you can add a channel to the meeting. This will also make the meeting visible in the posts section of that channel. But be aware, you can only add one channel per meeting. When you're ready, hit send. The process is exactly the same to start or join a Teams meeting. From your Outlook calendar, open the invite and click on Join Microsoft Teams Meeting. You can decide whether you want your video to be on and whether your audio is muted before entering the meeting. You can also check your audio and video settings before going into the meeting. When you're ready, hit the Join Now button. Let's have a look at starting or joining a Teams meeting from the desktop app. Again, the process is exactly the same for both. Head over to the calendar inside Teams and find the meeting you want to join. Open up the invite and you will see the join link in the body of the message, but also in the top right hand corner. Click on the join button and you'll be brought through to the meeting. You can decide whether you want your video to be on and whether your audio is muted before entering the meeting. You can also check your audio and video settings before going into the meeting. When you're ready, hit the Join Now button.